From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and stuffy nose? I just discovered the 6L stainless steel warm mist humidifier by Levatro and it's been a game changer. This thing is a beast, with a massive 6-liter tank that can run for up to 24 hours on a single fill. The tank is made of 304 stainless steel, which is not only durable but also easy to clean. I mean, it's dishwasher safe, so you can just toss it in and forget about it. The humidifier itself is also really quiet, thanks to its noise cancel feature, which is perfect for bedrooms or baby rooms where you need to keep the noise level down. I've been using it in my bedroom and I can barely hear it, even on the high setting. This Levatro humidifier is also packed with safety features, like auto shut off when the water runs low, child lock, and screen lock, which gives me peace of mind, especially since I have kids running around the house. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among those looking for a reliable and efficient humidifier. One of my favorite features is the sleep mode, which turns off the screen and minimizes the noise, so you can get a restful night's sleep without any distractions. The mist settings are also really versatile, with high, low, and sleep options, so you can customize it to your needs. I've been using it in my bedroom and it's made a huge difference. My skin doesn't feel dry and tight anymore, and I can breathe easily throughout the night. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Levatro 6L stainless steel warm mist humidifier. It's easy to set up, easy to clean, and it just works, so if you're in the market for a new humidifier, I definitely recommend giving it a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.